Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been so long since I actually sat down in one place and recorded a video for YouTube. I was actually contemplating whether I should post this haul on YouTube or on Instagram, but then I was like, chalo, let's post it on YouTube because I need more content for YouTube, and Instagram I usually post pictures. Like, you follow me. If you don't, please do follow me. The ID will be somewhere here. So yeah, without further ado and me blabbering to you guys, let's get on to today's haul. Okay, so the first thing I want to tell you is I mostly bought skincare this time and not too much of makeup. So I'll first be talking about the kits I got, like combo kits. First combo kit I got is from Dermafique, these. So I actually don't know how much this retails for. I will put it up on the screen after the discounted price. So I got a cleanser, a toner and a moisturizer. I haven't used, I think I have smelled the moisturizer. This is how it looks. I have smelled the moisturizer but I haven't like used it. It smells really fabulous. This is actually, it's not like a high-end brand. It is like a Khadi Gold kind of a price. So yeah, and I also got a cleanser free with this pack. So I got these three and I got a cleanser free with this. So I have two cleansers now, so I am probably going to give one to my dad. The next kit is from Tolly Molly. I got their face something like the full face kind of a kit. So I got eye patches and then I got 3 masks. One is red wine, one is rice and one is lemon, I guess. Yeah, lemon. So I got these 3. I got a nose egg pore kind of a strip to like remove blackheads, and then I got a lip patch. I always wanted to try one of these, but I mean buying it individually was obviously very expensive, so I got it as a bundle. The next one I got is from the Face Shop. I got there, it is also a kit. Like, I'm talking about all kits right now. So this, I got a green tea face mask. I got a pouch free, inside which I got a water tinted lip balm, lip tint. I don't know what it is called, but it is kind of orangish. And then I got this shea butter lip cream, which I desperately needed because after coming back from Bangalore, this was the last package I got, and I was like, wow, thank God, I need this nourishment for my lips. So I started applying this already. This is a very good product. This retails for $4.50, I guess. The first thing I have is this Becca highlighting kit, which comes with a highlighter, like a highlighter and a liquid highlighter. This retails for $1750 because this, if you would have seen, like if you're a great huge fan of makeup, you would have seen this small Chintkusa highlighter itself is 1,700 or close to 500, but the big size is 2,300. So I am so happy I got this small highlighter and the liquid highlighter literally for 1,750, and I think I used it once. I haven't used the liquid highlighter yet. If you want, I can swatch it. Like, this is the shade Opal I got, so I'm swatching it for you guys. It is so beautiful and so pigmented. I can't even, I don't know what to say. And this liquid highlighter, you don't even need a lot, okay? You need only like this much. If you can see, can you see? What the hell am I doing? Okay, this much, and just probably apply a dot here. Hold on. And then look at that. I mean, it just blends out like a dream, and your hand is all I can't wait to try it on, honestly. I'm not wearing this highlighter, but anyway, this is the kit I got for 1,750, which is really worth the money. This is from Becca Cosmetics, in case you can't buy it now, can you? Anyway, this, in case the next Pink Friday sale comes, you can get your hands on this. So the next 2 products are liquid eyeshadows. This is from Swiss Beauty. These are the, what is it called? I think these are the just metallic liquid eyeshadow in the shade metallic, and I got the shades 02 Diamond Dust and Rose Gold Retro. I already have like a goldish tint. I think you would have seen one of my previous YouTube videos. I would have used it in that. So I got my hands on these two also. These are also beautiful colors. I'll just swatch it to you guys. So this is the rose gold, and this diamond dust is very beautiful, trust me. Diamond dust, you can put it on your eyelids just like that. This is diamond dust. I don't think this is diamond dust, and this is the rose gold. I don't know if you can see it properly. Okay, the camera is not picking it up. Anyway, I'll put another swatch right after this. So the next thing is I got myself a mascara. This is the Maybelline the Falsies Lash Lift. If you are like a Maybelline and a mascara fan, you would have seen Maybelline had a mascara called the Falsies Push Up Lashes, but I think this is like, I think this is like the new improved version of it, but the name is also changed. But I stopped buying that because it was only available in waterproof, and I don't like waterproof mascaras. I don't know, I just don't like them. So I was kind of upset, so I went to my Temptations, like Total Temptation mascara. But this I tried. This gives only volume. No, this gives only length to your lashes. This does not give volume to your lashes. So as I do in every video, I use two mascaras. I use this, and I also use the Rimmel London Volume Looks mascara for the volume. That's what I'm wearing right now, like both together. So this is also a mascara I bought. So coming to eyes, I got this eyeshadow from Huda Beauty. It's the Ruby Obsessions. It was on a great sale. It was like literally, this is what I got. This is the Ruby Obsessions palette. It has such beautiful cherry blossom colors, and I am in love. Like, I swatched this. I'll swatch this for you guys. I can't wait to wear this on my eyes. Like, literally can't wait. Sorry guys, I forgot to show you this. I got this highlighting sample from Becca as a free gift because I got from them. So it has like 3 shades. It has Chocolate Geode, Champagne Pop, their best-selling highlighter, and Opal. This is the one I have. This is the one I currently have. Actually, this thing does work. Like, you can remove it off and use it as a daily highlighter. My friend has been asking me for this sample, so I'm probably going to go give it to her. It is beautiful, I'm telling you. This is that Chocolate Geode. Champagne Pop is such a beautiful color. I can't stop expressing the word beautiful. Oh my god, this thing. Wait. This is Champagne Pop. Look at that. I can't express even more. And Opal you would have already seen. This is Opal. I can't really show. Okay, anyway. So yeah, that's it for my huge haul. I think I'm missing out on something. Hold on. So I'm not missing out on anything, which is a good thing. And yeah, that's it for today's video, today's haul. I think next time when the Pink Friday sale comes, or the Black Friday sale comes, or whatever sale comes, I will do a recommendations video for you guys so that you can shop like after knowing what my recommendations are, and you can also shop my recommendations if you want. I forgot to tell you guys, please do subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and follow me on my Instagram. Share this video with your friends if you also want to tell your friends what I got. Okay, so yeah, bye bye.